guys, Susie Nelson with affiliatemarketinginformant.com here with you today, and welcome to my Crypto Bank review by Chris and Rich W. Kim and I spent a few hours going over this product and its training so that you don't have to. If you want to know if Crypto Bank is going to allow you to clone his $497 a day crypto site while making you ClickBank and crypto commissions with no list needed, then you've come to the right place. In this Crypto Bank review, I'm going to go over what it promises. We're going to take a real look inside. I'll tell you what you need to know before you buy. We'll go over the OTOs and the pricing, and then I'll tell you my personal opinion of Crypto Bank. As your affiliate marketing informant today, I'll be informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If you guys find value in this video, be sure to give me a like, subscribe down below if you want to know when our next video comes out, and be sure to leave us a comment. We'd love to chat with you. And if you guys are trying to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have some honest and effective training in the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed and shows you how to build an honest online evergreen business that brings you traffic, leads, and sales. Go ahead, click the link below. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. Let's get started. Here on the sales page, you can see that Crypto Bank promises to clone his $497 a day crypto site and create new ClickBank and Bitcoin commissions in 60 seconds flat with no content creation, no writing, and no list needed. If this sounds interesting to you, then stick with me because I'll be breaking it down. Once you log into Crypto Bank, bring you here to the Pro.club. As you can see, there is no training. It is just products, and they have at least 9 pages. Some of them are not crypto product. To start, you would come in here and choose what product you like. You can choose the product or you can choose the keywords. If you click keywords, you can see it downloads here on your computer. And when you open it, it is just a notepad with all the keywords that are in this particular product. Now we'll choose the product, and here you can see it shot us over to funnels. So you come in here and you click which one you like. When you guys come in here, be sure you're looking at it. Some of them include email capture forms like the Oak Squeeze and the Beach Squeeze, but if you look at this simple sales vid, there is no email capture form here. And as you scroll down, you can see the basic VSL here also does not have an email capture. So if you want an email capture, make sure you choose one that has one in it. Once you find one you like, you'll click create funnel. You'll come in and choose a title. You can see here's the code for the video. If you scroll down in here, you actually can change this video if you would like. You would just need to put the correct information for the video you want right in here. Click the refresh button and then it will populate and you can see what it looks like for you. Here you have where you can go in and adjust the headline. If you don't like the way it looks or you would like to put something else in there, that's where you would adjust it. They give you an option to put in a sub headline here, and then you can choose your order button. You can see all the different options here. If you have your own image URL for a button, you could put that in here, or you could upload the button image from a file. Next is where we would put our order affiliate URL. This particular product is on ClickBank. If you choose a different product, when you scroll down, this is where you would find out what platform it's on. Some of them are Warrior Plus, some of them are JVZoo. With Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you will need to wait for approval, but you do not need to wait for ClickBank approval at any time. Once you've got that in, you would put your sign up form or your autoresponder code in here to link that. You could change the font and the text color, and if you had any extra code you wanted in here. Once you make changes, hit the refresh button to view on your preview page. So we'll scroll back up and take a look. You can see the 2 that I put into the headline made it in here, so it did update what I changed. As we scroll down, you can see the subheadline I entered, and you see they have privacy terms and contact us below. Now that we have this how we like it, we'll save and proceed. And you can see it takes you to the third and final option of My Funnels, which is where you would be able to see any additional funnels that you have made. You can see that the Crypto Vault XYZ I made is not yet published. To see what the website would look like, we would need to publish that. So we'll publish. Once you have your name in, click OK Publish. And you can see here my website name is now going to be funnels.to/XYZ. Let's take a look. And here is our squeeze page for the product that we picked out. The adjustment I made is in there, so that did change that. The subheadline would show up here. Let's test our privacy. That just takes us back to our web page. Let's try the terms. Again, that just takes us back to our web page. The privacy and the terms are not available here. As a beginner affiliate marketer, these are very important. There are actually legal reasons why we have these in here, and you need to know that and to know why and to make sure that they are there for your sales pages and your squeeze pages and your landing pages. links and your website. Also, if we take a look at the top, you can see here that your new web page is not secure. This is actually a very simple fix in a website builder. It's very disappointing that they haven't done this for us to make sure that our new sites are secure for beginner affiliate marketers. And if you guys want to know 5 truths about social media that product launchers don't want us to know, be sure to click the link above. So now that we've published this and taken a look at our website, we do have the option to share. And see on this one that the share button is not available. That is because this one has not been published. So you cannot share until you have published it. Click the share button and it brings up all of these different sites and social media that you can send your website to. So my question to you is, do you have a Facebook list that you can send this page to? They told us that we wouldn't need a list in the beginning on the sales page. And here, the only way you can send this out is to a list of people that already have agreed to get information from you. If you don't already have their email addresses because you're buying this for that reason, then you have nobody to send this to. You would need a Facebook account, a Twitter account, Pinterest account, an email account, all of these accounts with buyers ready to buy from you to make any money off of this. Let's take a look at our page one more time. Again, a basic opt-in, squeeze, or landing page with a header. You do have a video in here, a subheadline. You can capture names and email addresses and then send to your affiliate link. There's no privacy or terms of conditions, and there was no way to adjust that. Do you think the creators of this product are looking out for your best interest, not giving you the option to be legally compliant? Now that we know what Crypto Bank does, what makes it unique? Unfortunately, there's nothing unique about Crypto Bank. If you already have a website, then you already have a website editor. You can use your website editor to build these pages. Most editors also come with page builders, or you could try things like WordPress or Thrive Themes. Also, if you're using ClickBank products, there's no approval period for ClickBank products, so you wouldn't need their leverage or them for any reason to make one of these pages yourself and promote it yourself. What do you need to know before you buy? As a beginner affiliate marketer, let's start with the basics. What is a funnel? According to postaffiliatepro.com, an affiliate marketing sales funnel is a defined path that a consumer takes before purchasing a product or service. It includes different steps for potential customers so that they can easily move towards purchasing the core product, thus generating your sales. So what do you need to get started with the funnel? According to Beckler, he has an article called Affiliate Marketing Funnel. If we scroll down, we can see that you would need a minimum viable funnel for affiliate marketing, and it works extremely well because of its simplicity. It is basically a copy and paste formula to help you start making money online. Miles tells us that the minimum viable funnel for affiliate marketing gives us 3 awesome outcomes: money, email subscribers, and a budding relationship with those email subscribers. As affiliate marketers, that is exactly what we want, you guys. So fitting these 3 outcomes, you have 3 pages to the minimum viable funnel. He gives us a great little visual here. You need an opt-in page that gets you the email subscribers, which is what this page would be for us. You need a thank you page, which says, hey, I got your request, watch this video, which builds your relationship with those subscribers. And then last would be your affiliate offer, which is what makes you money. So if we look at the page we have here, this would be our opt-in page. And if we click this, it goes straight to our offer. So you can see that with Crypto Bank, they're actually not giving you the opportunity to start building your relationship with a thank you page. So now that we know we're going to need an opt-in page, a thank you page, and an affiliate offer, he tells us that before we get started, we need a few things. You need an email list provider, such as ActiveCampaign and Aweber. If you guys are interested in looking at Aweber's free options, feel free to click our link below. And there are many more email list providers out there that you guys can take a look at. Next, you're going to need a platform to create pages. You can use Instapage or ClickFunnels, WordPress, and Thrive Themes, as well as a niche selected or a product to offer. So you can see he recommends ClickFunnels several times, but as I kept looking, I found another Miles Beckler article where he has a #1 free ClickFunnels alternative revealed. So he even used ClickFunnels and then decided not to and to go with the free options. We also talked about building relationships with the thank you page, and you're going to need to build relationships for the sales. As a business major, I've heard of the rule of 7 since I started business school, but let me break that down for you a little bit. So the rule of 7, how social media crushes old school marketing. If you've been in the world of marketing for a while, you've probably heard of the rule of 7. The marketing rule of 7 7 states that a prospect or your customer needs to hear the advertiser's message at least 7 times before they'll take action to buy that product or service. It's a marketing maxim developed by the movie industry in the 1930s. Studio bosses discovered that a certain amount of advertising and promotion was required to compel someone to see one of their movies. And today, it's about 7 times before someone will open their wallet and buy your product. If we're talking about our email campaign, we are going to need to touch our customers or interact with them 7 times before they're going to take action. Our action is them wanting to buy from us. Take your time and build these pages right. Don't skip options. Make sure when you're setting up your opt-in pages and your thank you pages that you guys are trying to build relationships through this. Your opt-in page is to get their email, and then you would want to start to build a relationship with a thank you page or an email sequence from there before you get straight to the affiliate. Now let's take a look at the pricing in the OTOs. On the front end, we're going to have Crytpo Bank at $17. It's the core software that lets people launch an instant done-for-you crypto affiliate website. Your first upgrade or OTO is going to be the unlimited option at $29. That is the upgrade to launch unlimited websites, promoting unlimited offers to scale commissions even further. Upsell number 2 is the Autopilot edition at $39 with 60 times the affiliate programs every day and over 1,500 campaigns instantly preloaded. Upsell number 3 is going to be Done For You at $197. That's where his elite team sets up a done for you site. All they need is your ClickBank ID. Upsell number 4 is the reseller at $197, where you can earn 100% across the entire funnel, selling this offer as if it was your own. And Mega Bundle is the upsell number 5 at $97 with access to insane 37 software tools that cost him over $30,000 to build. Your grand total from the front end to upsell number 5 is going to be $576. Now let's do some vendor research. Here I am on Munchak, where Rich W is promoting Crypto Bank. If we take a look at the vendor, you can see he started launching January 13th of 2019. And in the past 2.5 or 3 years, he has launched product after product. You can see many of them are named the same: bots 2, funnel bots, video bots, traffic bots, resell bots. And then he goes into versions 2 and continues to launch again and again, and still has 3 more planned in the next 2 months. So we should see 2 out of him in July, but you can see Crypto Bank here in May. I actually did a 100K cloner review. If you guys are interested in that, feel free to check that out through the link above. Next, we'll take a look at Warrior Plus. You can see here, Richard Williams has got 24,000 sales, and a mere 272 people came to give him a review of 2.66 stars. And if we take a look at his products, the 100K cloner, and it has no reviews yet with over 500 sales. And he is about average on most of his products that he has put out, which just seems a little meh. Something else I noticed with this particular product launch, typically they are called Chris X and Rich Williams. But if we take a look at the bottom of this, Chris has lost the X on his last name, and so did Vivek from the last product that they launched. Now, let's make sure we answered the questions we asked ourselves at the beginning of this video. Is Crypto Bank going to allow us to clone his $497 a day crypto site while making ClickBank and crypto commissions with no list needed? Not really. This actually clones an opt-in landing page, not necessarily a quote-unquote website. Are you going to be making ClickBank and crypto commissions? Not likely. Once you publish this and you actually have your URL address, you can share this to your current existing list on media sites, but where else are you going to send this? And if there's no list needed, that's not true. No, you will need a list to send this. Again, otherwise, who else is going to see it? Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. You've made it to the portion where you get my personal opinion on Crypto Bank by Chris X and Rich Williams. So you can make this quote-unquote site yourself with a free website, which we have a link for down below, and a free email responder, which we have a link for down below. And then you just use a website editor or a page builder. Before you do those, make sure you do a Google search. Find yourself some free options or some options that have a little bit of a cap so that you can use them in the beginning to get yourself started and do it yourself. If you own it, then you don't have to worry about it disappearing if somebody stops supporting their product. If somebody stops supporting their pages, your business disappears. But if you own it with your own website, you don't have to worry about that. So basically, what I'm trying to tell you is you do not need Crypto Bank to make this page, to sell these products, or to do any of this, because you can do it on your own. Guys, I hope this Crypto Bank review answered all your questions. If it didn't, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'll answer you guys as soon as I can. As you can see, I have been extremely detailed in this review of Crypto Bank by Chris X and Rich Williams. And I want to remind you guys again to click the link below in the description. We know where you guys are in your affiliate marketing journey. You are tired of buying shiny object after shiny object and OTO after OTO. This training will show you the real way to grow an honest, evergreen business online, bringing you traffic, leads, and sales. Go ahead, click the link below. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. What have you got to lose? Thanks for watching.